With Beyond Meat trading at 99.93 cents, I have a $1 call that is expiring today. It is right at the money. And rather than manage this position, I have decided to leave the outcome to the fates. You may recall that on December 5th, I wrote a cash secured put with a strike price of $1. I received $7.34 for it and then was assigned to buy the shares at $1 a share, paying $100. Since then, I have written a covered call on this position, receiving another $10.34. If I am assigned to sell these shares for $100, I will improve my overall position. Right now, I do have 225 shares in the account, which I first bought for $1.33 a piece. That was my starting point when I started trading this little micro meme stock. So I bought shares, and then all of this is options income until I was assigned to buy another 100 shares, and then more options income. So if today these shares, 100 of these shares are called away from me, my total out of pocket will be $104.53, and I will still have 125 shares. So a little math shows me that my average investment per share will be just over 83 cents. I would be very happy with that outcome. I am also just as happy for this to expire right out of the money. And on Monday, I'll have 225 shares and I can sell another covered call. Right now, the net liquidating value of the position is $219.49. And I have only spent $204.53. So today I am choosing the do nothing route and just waiting to see how this one plays out. And I will check back next week and see if I am writing another cash secured put or just waiting for the February 6th $1.50 covered call to expire.